This is the album by Julien Planty, the lead singer of Interpol. Actually, I didn't realize he had released a solo album last year, and I found out about this album using Grooveshark, which is similar to Spotify. Spotify has just landed in the United States. Grooveshark has been going on for more than 1 year and has a lot of music and has recommendations, and recommendations sometimes work, as in this case, because I was listening to the first album by The Lustre Lions, a band I used to play in Barcelona, and they actually sound like Interpol, so I think this recommendation is good. You won't believe it, but the site I was talking about this morning actually launched. The comments of the people were positive, which is also weird, because every time you change something, then everybody's good at criticizing. Actually, these fans are quite positive. They're all also very religious. All the comments come with an excerpt from the Bible, so maybe they have learned how to forget and forgive mistakes, which is nice. I left the office at 6. I was supposed to go and meet my band in the city to have directions about our next video clip. We're going to have a photo shoot on September 11th, which is also nice, but then it was cancelled because we're 6 bands and it's quite hard to find a day and time where we're all available. So that's what happens. We will meet next Tuesday, actually, because Monday is one of the few holidays here in the United States. It's called Labor Day. The traffic is not that bad today. It's because I left right on time. I'm not even going home now. I'm going on Sunset Boulevard. Now they're working in a coffee bean. And it's also the last night that we will have a visitor at the house, a friend of Pau. She's been here for 3 weeks. This place is quite crowded of visitors, but it's nice. So we will just stick around and listen to some more music from Julien Planty, lead singers of Interpol, with his solo album called Julien Planty is Skyscraper.